Good afternoon, my name is John Dowdy. I'm our production manager over here at Leon Foundation Repair and Elevation. We're a full service foundation repair and structural elevation company, and we wanted to start a video series answering some questions that we've received, whether it be on the internet, Facebook, Instagram, whether our CSRs here, customer service reps here at the office have heard them over the phone, or estimators have heard them in your homes. We want to put a little clarity to the situation. So we're going to start this little video series, probably do 1 or 2 videos a week, and figured the first 3 questions we have here are probably going to fit the bill. So first things first, let's get down to the basics. What is foundation repair? Let's start with the word repair. That's the kind of catalyst in the whole term foundation repair. The word repair traditionally denotes that something is broken and needs to be fixed, mended, put back together. Very rarely is your foundation going to be broken, although it is possible, and we have run into numerous instances where we've actually had to replace a foundation. 9 times, or 99 out of 100 rather, you're going to just fix it the way it says. So when we talk about foundation repair in the context of it being a concrete slab on grade foundation, what has happened usually is the structure, foundation and all, has settled, moved, something has come out of alignment, and typically needs to be lifted vertically in order to restore the original horizontal level that it had when it was built. Now, no homes are built perfectly level, and I'm sure everyone out there has heard the old saying that there's no such thing as a square wall. So the home's going to be raised and leveled to an acceptable tolerance. But that traditionally will reverse the effects that you see when you have foundation issues, such as cracks in brick, cracks in drywall, doors becoming misaligned, tile being broken, things of that nature. Where foundation repair or foundation maintenance becomes very important, the entire structure rests on your foundation. You literally can't do anything else to the house until you lay that foundation. So if the foundation begins to fail, things can go haywire rather quickly. Our second question for today is, what type of piers do we use? Piers, pilings, underreams, underpins, whatever you want to call them, we're going to refer to them as piers. Although there's a myriad of different pilings on the market, we traditionally like to stay with the press pilings. Bell bottoms are great pilings if you want to spend some money on geotechnical surveying of the lot to determine how deep you need to get to surpass the active zone of soils, and then also spend some money on load calculating the structure. Helicals are great, except for they're very expensive, and you also have to bracket them traditionally to the side of the house. We're not a big fan of bracketing, and we'll get into that in another video. There's a bunch of other stuff out there, but a good old-fashioned concrete press piling has been what we have seen perform very well. We've been very successful installing them. Whether it's in a foundation repair effort or a home elevation effort, we use a press piling of one sort or another. We offer 2 different types of concrete or press pilings. A standard concrete press piling, and then a hybrid steel over concrete press piling for those harder, denser terrains, or if you're in areas such as San Antonio and Austin where you have a lot of rock in the soil. But once again, it all goes back down to the same principle. We like the pressed pilings. And then what kind of warranty do we have to offer? It depends on the kind of job that we do. Obviously our top tier warranty is a lifetime transferable warranty. Any job that we do, unless there's some oddball exception, when it comes to a concrete slab where we install one of our press pilings, those jobs are going to be covered with a lifetime transferable warranty. For the portion of the structure that we work on. If we work on the front and 10 years later the back moves, obviously that doesn't cover the back, but lifetime transferable warranties are what we offer for concrete slab foundations that have press pilings that we install on them. If we're talking about a crawl space, pier and beam, block and beam, even a coastal on stilts, we traditionally offer a 2-year warranty unless we add things to the job that are going to increase the life expectancy of the levelness of that foundation. So we're pretty well on par with the industry as far as lifetime warranties, and then very reasonable limited warranties on those limited scopes of work. I believe that concludes our opening episode of this question and answers series that we're going to produce from this point forward. Stay tuned for more.